Today we're going to be cruising around the workshop, visiting Archie and resealing a cylinder with Ron. Oh no, it's found you, Archie.
What's this you got here, buzz?
What's he got there, lad? Say something smart. Yeah.
What is it, like GoPro?
Yeah.
They're new ones.
Yeah.
So I don't.
Spanian spec, bruh. Second rag. You just got one rag.
Mm-hmm.
What are you working on?
They're helping Ron with that.
Helping Rob with what?
Cylinder.
Oh, you're helping Ron?
Yeah.
You got a job for it?
I think so.
Oh, and I'm filming it too.
Yeah.
What are you going to do then?
Go on Harry for a job.
Solid. And what, you're using the buoy?
Huh?
You're using the buoy, and he hasn't got a
Lads, you do.
Go for it.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big spanner. Big socket for a little boy. Oh, he's got it. Fruit and nuts. It's coming. It was going. Oh, live action. Let's watch how he gets this apart. Oh, pipe extension. Oh, I got that. Live action. Did you clock on, Arch?
No Barry's in the job.
So we are filming unproductivity right here, right now. Once again, the golden child. Once again, the golden child, the only one doing the right thing.
Oh yeah, I'm the golden child.
Because you've got red hair and it's closer to gold than any colour Archie's got. Teamwork makes the dream work. You got anything smart to say? Nah, good. This little guy's just living in Armadale up on blocks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For more cool content, check out all our socials.